For fuck's sake, guys, you've made me come out here in the middle of the night. Well, not quite the middle of the night, but I'm fucking 5 beers in at this point. And, excuse me, multiple people have put in the comments of this video that this R1 has got a cracked swinging arm. So now I've got my fucking microscopy thing. Let's have a look at this weld. It looks alright to me. I think there was some funny shadowing going on with just the way it was filmed. I fucking love the hive mind though. How cool is it that it really does look, doesn't it, in the YouTube video like it's got a crack in it. I love that people point that shit out, because I stared at that video for ages editing it and I didn't notice. So thank you guys. So yeah, this is the guys picking this up tomorrow. It's going, excuse me, fucking hell, beerage. While we're in the workshop, I'll give you a little bit of behind the scenes-ness. Panigale final edition. That's going to be a video. The most expensive exhaust pipe in the world video. What else we got? Got another 5JJ. That's not a video. That thing, GSXR 750K, no, Y, just before the K1. That's the engine out of it. That's going to be a video. When was the last time you saw one of those? GPZ 750 Turbo. That is going to be a cool video. Loads of cool stuff coming, guys. Yeah, thank you for pointing out the not cracked weld on the R1. I fucking literally, I didn't see it. I stared at that video forever editing and I didn't notice. The hive mind at work is just amazing. I've had a proper good look at it. It's not cracked. I think it was some weird shadowing. I was like zooming in on the video on YouTube and it fucking looks like it's cracked, doesn't it? But I'm pleased to say it isn't. Anyway, thank you guys. I appreciate all of you. See you soon. Fuck me. It's a bit clickbaity, that video, wasn't it? I had to respond to the people that were kind enough to put something in the comments. It really did look like a crack in the swinging arm. So thank you for pointing that out. The hive mind is awesome, isn't it? Anyway, house tour. Look at that fucking bad boy there. Happy Saturday. Fucking cheap Aldi beer. Gotta love it.